morning children. Hope everybody doing fine. Okay, then what about your worksheet? Do you completed it? Have you learned what we taught in the previous class? Have you read your textbook? Okay, where is it easy for you? Now let's move on to the next section. Okay, all of you ready? Okay. Now let's move on. Chapter 4. More on MS PowerPoint 2010. Then today's topic, inserting table. Inserting table. What do you mean by table? What do you mean by inserting table? Okay. What do you mean by table? Tables are used to present numerical data or information in a clear and organized way. Tables are a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Table contain number of rows, number of columns are there. Okay. Next topic, inserting table. Tables are used to present numerical data or information in a clear and organized way. Tables are used to present numerical data or information in a clear and organized way. Tables are a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. First step, click on the insert tab. See this home tab and insert tab. Click. All of you see tables. Then click on the table command. See this insert table, draw table, Excel spreadsheet and Q table. Then third step, however, your mouse pointer to select 4 columns and 5 rows. Click the mouse table as shown. Say 1 into 1, 2 into 1, 3 into 1, 4 into 1. Then 1 into 4, 2 into 4, 3 into 4, 4 into 4, 5 into 4 and 6 into 4. See. Then select 3 into 4. Okay. Select 3 into 4. Click in each cell of the table and start entering your data. See this color different. Select this color, this one. Okay, select this color. Select this one. Okay, select this color. Next, entering data in the table. Class. Next table. Cricket. Next, badminton. See, table is small, large. See, table is large. Then this class. Wait, just select class. Then size 28. Then select cricket and badminton. Select 26. Okay. Then enter the data. Class 1, class 2 and class 3. Okay. Next, adding smart art. What do you mean by smart art? Types of smart art. There are various types of smart art used in PowerPoint. point. See this insert option. See smart art. Smart art. All of you see this smart art. List of smart art. List of smart art. Click this. Then list of smart art. See this list of smart art. See. First one list. First one list. These all are the list option. List. First one click list. Then what do you mean by list? Information block is not to be followed in a particular sequence. Information block is not to be followed in a particular sequence. Next one process. Next one process. Click process. See, these all are the process. Information block is to be followed in a particular sequence such as flowchart and sequential step in a process. Next one cycle. Cycle. Information block is in the form of a cycle with no start and no end, such as a life cycle and a teaching cycle, such as life cycle and a teaching cycle. Third one hierarchy. 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 Information block is in the form of relationship between people working in an institution such as principal, teacher and student. Information block is in the form of relationship between people working in an institution such as principal, teacher and student. Next one relationship. These are the relationships. Two information blocks are to be compared. Two information blocks are to be compared. Then next matrix. Matrix. Different information blocks are to be related to a wall or central concept. Different information blocks are to be related to a wall or central concept. Next pyramid. Information is about proportional relationship. Information is about proportional relationship. One more, this picture. Information is to be expressed using picture. Information is to be expressed picture. Then, how to apply smart art graphics? Click on insert tab. First this one cancel. Then click on insert tab. First tab. Click on smart art command. Click on smart art command. Third step, select a smart art graphic. Select a smart art graphic. Cycle select, then smart art graphic. Then fourth step, select the design of the graphic. Select the design of the graphic. Select this design basic cycle. Okay. See. Then next step, when you click on OK, your slide will look. Click OK. See. Then all of you see this. Then click on test to type here. Click on test to type here. Click Arun. Arun. Next here. Type here. Type here. Arun. Anu. Then Varun. Vishnu. Divya. All of you see this? All of you see? Okay. Appearance of slide after smart art is inserted. Modifying smart art. Modifying smart art. You can also modify a smart art graphic by follow the steps. You can also modify a smart art graphic by following the step. First one, select the slide and click on the design tab under smart art tool. select the slide and click on the Design tab under Smart Art tool. If you see this design, this design, click this design, click this design, click this design, see. Then third step, click on change color to change color of different cycles in the Smart Art graphic. See, all of you see this difference. Then fourth step, choose the style. Choose a style from Smart Art styles to change design of the graphic. Choose a style from Smart Art styles to change design of the graphics. Okay, these are the steps to modify Smart Arts. Inserting hyperlink. Next topic, inserting hyperlink. A hyperlink is a text or graphic image that you can click when viewing a slide to jump to another slide, presentation, a document or website. A hyperlink is a text or a graphic image that you can click when viewing a slide to jump to another slide, presentation, a document or website. To create hyperlink to a slide, follow the step. First step, select the text or graphic object that you want to make into a hyperlink. See, click on insert tab. See this hyperlink option. All of you see this hyperlink option. First step, click on insert tab, then see hyperlink. Third step, click on hyperlink command to open the insert hyperlink dialog box. All of you see this. Then fourth step, select the file you want to create hyperlink to. Select this one, car. Then fifth step, type the text you want to appear as hyperlink on your slide. Screen tip. See this screen tip, bookmark, target frame and OK button. Then next step, click on the screen tip button to enter a screen tip that will appear on the hyperlink when the mouse pointer hovers over it. Screen tip. See this screen tip. Then screen tip text, car. Then next click on OK. Then OK. See this link. All of you see this link. Just wait. See car.jpg. Control plus click to follow link. While running a slideshow, if you click on a hyperlink, you will be automatically taken to a defined address. Next, inserting action button. How to insert action button? First step, move to the slide on which you want to place a button. Next step, click on the insert tab. Third step, click on the shapes command to open the drop down list of shape. See these shapes. Fourth step, choose one of the action button shapes found at the bottom of the gallery that appears. Bottom of the gallery that appears. Fifth step, click and drag the mouse. Click and drag the mouse pointer on the slide to draw the button on the slide. Draw the button on the slide. Next step, when you release the mouse button, the action setting dialog box open. Action setting dialog box is open. You can change the action setting for the action button. In general, the default setting for the action button is appropriate. Eighth step, click on OK. The action button is created on the slide. I think all of you understood today's portion. Okay, we are only handling small portions each day. So it's your duty to learn that portions thoroughly. So each day you have to learn each topic that is taught daily, and you have to revise 2 or 3 times, and you have to do the worksheet. Then after completing the worksheet, you have to send your computer miss. If you have any doubt, you could just contact your computer miss through WhatsApp or Google Meet. You have to submit on time. Let's move on the worksheet section. So, all of you take out your computer notebook, then write. Answer these questions. What is a hyperlink? Then give the answer in one word. First question. The tab used to modify a smart art. Second question. A type of smart art graphics that allows you to display flow charts. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.